The incredible journey.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for having us.
So, locomotives are the heartbeat of India, and you're transforming and hugely contributing to the nation building. So, talk to us about your founding vision and how have you transformed from serving components to the becoming a global player.
Yes. As I mentioned earlier, also that we started as a small component supplier, electrical component supplier of railways. And while during the journey, we learned about the complete ecosystem, the significance of various domains like signaling, electrification, track and civil structures, and also rolling stock. So we found rolling stock to be very important part or integral part of railways. So that time we decided to do something which is integral part of a train, and that is how we shortlisted this system called propulsion systems, which we have mentioned in our RHP document also. So that required a huge extensive R&D. So we prepared for it, and then we built a team, and then it started development. It's a very intricate and complex technology, so it requires not one but 5-6 different disciplines, including software development, embedded design, power electronics or electrical engineering is the core of all the technology, very intricate mechanical engineering, controls and instrumentation. So all these teams, they work together and develop this technology, and that is how we received approval, and now it's actually all geared to serve these technologies in bigger scales to Indian Railways henceforth.
Fantastic. You've been recognized by the government, DSI.
You're right,
yes.
ma'am.
So how has it given a boost to your?
Yes, ma'am. Very recently, we have been recognized by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, and there were a series of I would say they went through the entire system methodologies that were followed, and after that they gave us the approval. Go ahead for that, and I think that will help us very in different important areas of our business, because R&D or IPR, the Indian government is giving very much focus towards that. So earlier, like we had Make in India initiatives by the government, now they are actually progressing towards creating IPRs, doing R&D in India.
Sure.
That is why this DSIR was very important for us. So being an R&D oriented company, having a dedicated R&D center, the R&D activity which will be done by the company, we are expecting some kind of subsidies and incentives out of it, and more importantly, that can be funded by the central government or the banks, that will get a support out of it, so that we get a good boost to our R&D structure.
It's brought you on the fast track.
You're right, ma'am. You're right.
All right. Give us a color of your new upcoming R&D center.
Yes. Our existing R&D centers happen to be focused completely on locomotive propulsion system. But as I said, that when the ecosystem is already developed, the team is already available, all kinds of test equipments, test bed simulators, tools and tackles, they are already in place. So the new R&D center will be an extension of our existing R&D center. Obviously, there will be new products like EMU propulsion systems, metro propulsion systems, so they will require different kind of test beds. However, the basic ecosystem or techniques will remain same. So,
all right, give us details of the IPO. How do you plan to utilize the funds, and what is in for the investor?
We already had bagged a very ambitious order book. It stands at over 1,000 crore, excluding GST and excluding annual maintenance contracts. So sitting on top of this R&D, this thing, I mean, we have already built our complete ecosystems, production facilities, testing facilities, and also manpower. They are trained. They were recruited and they were